All right, steady on the ramp. Watch the gap, move along now.
Easy now, keep moving. Shh. Next one, gently down the ramp.
Keep them moving.
Respiration is steady, ultrasound looks clear. Log that in the system, please. Done.
The respiration rate is stable, but the ultrasound shows some inflammation here.
Yes, I see that. Let's monitor the heart rate closely for the next hour.
Check the ear tag on this textile, please.
Reading 45B, vitals look good.
Okay, send it through.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art sheep washing facility. Here, modern systems ensure a hygienic and stress-free process. This guarantees the highest standards of cleanliness.
Keep them centered. Almost there, easy now.
Keep them moving gently now, making sure the gate is clear up ahead.
Check this batch for any remaining hair. Increase pressure on the roller, adjusting it now.
Look here, the grain is very smooth. Yeah. Yes, it passes inspection. Ready for the cart.
Let's check this batch here.
This batch is looking perfect.
Mark it as approved.